I'm Lydia, Promotions Assistant for Swinomish Casino Lodge, and I'm your host for this week's SwinTV. Looking for a fun way to win extra cash? Then join us for Spintil You Win starting this Monday. Every Thursday in April, one lucky guest will be chosen each hour from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. to spin our large wheel 3 times for big winnings. Spin 3 amounts that add up to exactly $1,000 and win $50,000. On Mondays during this promotion, guests will receive 1 free U-spin wheel on any green ticket slot machine to win promo play, extra drawing tickets, or bonus points. Play with your Players Club card from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sign up at the Players Club next time you're in. Next up, Jumada is here to tell you about one of our newest slot machines.
This week, try our new slot Penn Teller. Featuring 8 interactive and magical bonuses, there are more than 3,125 ways to win. You'll be mesmerized as rose petals magically turn into the valuable wilds, and the Penn Teller wheel bonus lets you pick cards to enhance the prizes on the wheel, and then spin for the biggest prize. Come play Penn Teller the next time you're at Swinomish Casino Lodge.
Before we go, it's time to head to Greg for the weekly renovation update.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's Greg Douglas coming at you from Swinomish Casino Lodge with another weekly construction update. It's been a while since I've got a chance to talk to you. Since that time, there's been a lot of things going on around here. We've got our new generator system installed and running that's going to assure us that when you guys are sitting at home in the dark, you can come here, you can eat, you can play, and you can have a great time while everybody else is sitting home in the dark. So that's a fun part of what we've done the last couple weeks. In addition to that, we are working on the last phase of the gaming floor renovation, which includes a refresh of the area that used to be in front of the sports bar. We've pulled our stage out. We are fireproofing that area right now, and then as we've done with the rest of the floor, soon we'll be coming back with new ceiling, new carpet, new wall coverings, get that stage back in place for our weekly acts, and get this place back in business for you. You can hear some noise off to my left here. Guys are working up in the ceiling, getting fireproofing done. Back to my right, you can see a bunch of ductwork back there. There's going to be the new mechanical ductwork for the sports bar when we get that thing finished up and completed. Pretty much, you're going to remember when you walk in there, it's going to look like it used to. We've got some new things we're going to be adding, some booths, some new seating, some new lighting, and it's going to be a great place once again for everybody to come to and enjoy. So, been great talking to you. Bye-bye.
That's all for SwinTV this week. Make sure to check back next Friday for the next episode.